So, traders, as we look to encounter a new week and as we are looking to unleash and unlock a new trading week, all I am gonna just do on this video is to just share possible directions for the coming week and also make sure that I educate you based on what we're gonna share and how you can encounter and look for clean tradable sellers. But before we get any further with the video, 70% of you guys who are watching the channel have not yet subscribed. And if I'm adding any value into your trading life and journey, all I ask of you is to like on the videos, share the videos, leave a comment on the video, subscribe to the channel, and for the most part of it, click that link on my description to sign up with the broker that I trade with and highly recommend, right? So like I've said, I'm just going to be sharing to you guys possible trading directions for the coming week. Just not sure of the date, but I think it's from the 19th up and until the 21st. Right, yeah, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, up and until the 23rd. Forgive me for that. So, first pair that we're going to be starting on will be NASDAQ. And NASDAQ, we've made it simple and stated that price has this intraday resistance, right? And all we're looking for based on this intraday resistance is for a break above to look for those moves to the upside, or a fail to break to look for those moves to the downside. So as you can clearly see how price is looking, we have officially left a conclusion that we don't have a trade idea on NASDAQ simply because price has failed to break above and price has already gave us a reaction. So our focus within the week will be very simple, based on previous lows that price has been printing out. For the when it happens that price breaks below a low, then we can look to continue bearish. If it happens that it breaks below a low, we can look to continue bearish. And if it happens it breaks below a low, we can look to continue bearish. But if it happens that price breaks above this resistance, then we can still look for those moves to the upside. And that's all we're going to be focusing on NASDAQ. But remember, we don't have a trade idea. This is just an anticipation based on what we might look to encounter if something like this happens, right? Second pin, which is gold. And gold, I just won't say much. And gold might probably be a clean pair that we might look to encounter, not because price is moving sideways, but because from every push and an exhaustion and a push and a range, there's a higher chance that price will look forward for those continuation pushes to the upside. But we're just saying this based on the experiences that we have and based on anticipations that we've always encountered, right? But all we can now simply do on gold, it's simple: prices highs and prices lows, right? And we have stated based on our trade idea that we're waiting for confirmation. Confirmation is based on us even to understand are we gonna get a break above to continue bullish, which is what we're looking for the most part of it, or is price gonna give us a break below to look for those reversals to the downside, which is something that might be unlikely. But because we're not market makers, we're just market anticipators and traders, right? We're just gonna wait and see what is gonna happen. A break above will indicate a possible continuation to the upside. A break below might indicate those possible moves to the downside of possible reversals. But we just keep it the way we keep it. We're simply gonna wait for confirmation. But without further ado, last but not least, we're having USDCAD. And USDCAD might be more like gold, right? Based on this nature, right? So understanding that USDCAD price is in a clean uptrend, price is creating higher highs and higher lows, right? Until price gave us this high, and then he pushed to the downside and gave us again another high. And then price tempted to push to the downside, but again we had bullish momentum to end the week, which you can clearly see. Price gave us a break above of our very same high, right? So based on us having to say we're waiting for confirmation, this is very simple, right? So from every higher high that price creates, that has to be a higher low, and from every higher low that price brings out, that might somehow have to be a possible new higher high. So looking at this, price ended the week on a higher high. If it happens that we might get a higher low before looking for anticipations of possible new higher highs, then that's what we can focus on. But if price pushes to the downside, then I guess we won't put our money to work on USD because price is bullish and price is looking cleanly bullish. What we're focusing on is for bullish setups only if they're applicable and only if they're printed out. If not, then we don't put our money to work, and that's all we're going to be focusing on. So if you've gained any value from the video and if you took all that you needed from the video, all I ask of you is to just like the video, subscribe to the channel, share the video to other traders so they can learn, evolve, and grow like you already did. But before we end the video, I appreciate the love and I appreciate the support. If you've made it to the end of this video, I need you to comment COT is the best so I can see if you've came to the end of the video. But without further ado, so for Harlem, King COT, and I'm gonna catch you guys on the next educational video. Bye for now.